Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe, you'll be able to get notifications each time we post. Okay? We love you guys.
We will strengthen our security. I cannot spell out in full detail here. Some elements of it are part of secrecy and strategy. But every inch of this country is crucially important for us. We as a government must take it as number one item, and that is the way I perceive it. We will strengthen security for Federal Republic of Nigeria. Be sure we will employ all means necessary to do that, including technology. I'm assuring you, we will make it a priority. Hopefully, that will assure you. Second part is if there is employment and good education and opportunity for people, the security will improve. And that is where we will look at all of this, break it into components. Security